This video will guide you step by step through the interesting process an item goes through, from the initial idea to its completion. Item development is aligned to the normative documents of the Department of Education of Puerto Rico, which are the Puerto Rico Core Standards 2014, the blueprints, and the test certifications. Before starting the item development process, an analysis of the item bank takes place in order to determine which expectations and indicators will be tested, and then how many items and which types of items are required to be written. The writers are trained and the items are assigned. The writers create the items and finally submit the items to Assessment Specialist 1. The Assessment Specialist 1 either accepts the passages and items or provides feedback to the writer so that the passages and items can be revised. Once the item is approved by the Assessment Specialist 1, universal design principles are then applied. If the item requires art, it is sent to the Multimedia Services. Once the art is approved by the Assessment Specialist 1, the item is sent to the Assessment Specialist 2 for review and feedback. All informational passages and items that have facts must be sent to a research librarian. Once the facts are verified, the passages and items are sent to editorial for 2 rounds of review. Once the passages and items are approved by editorial, they return to Assessment Specialist 1. Today, in the Content Sensitivity and Bias Review meeting, it is your turn to give the approval so that the items can become part of the field test items in each of the versions of the Meta PR test. The items you validate today will be included in the test construction process. Depending on the subject, different versions are developed. The students answer these field test items, which are scored or are not counted in the students' results. Throughout the administration of these field test items, sufficient data is acquired so the items can be validated. At the data review meeting, the data of the field test items are analyzed. Usually the values analyzed at this meeting are p-value, point by serial, and rash. In this meeting, all the items and passages that were developed are analyzed. It is then determined which of these items will be used in the practice test and which will be used in the development of new Meta PR tests and will be part of the item bank, where all the passages and items that will be used for the new test construction are stored. The Meta PR test each year starts a new cycle.